Well, even though the BJP is confident of a hat-trick in the ongoing 2024 Mahabharat, the Saffron Party is leaving no stone unturned to remain on top of the minds of the voters in the last phase of polls. Of course, today, Prime Minister Modi is all set to lead the Phase 7 of the party brigade in the bastion of Mamata Banerjee, which is in Bengal. But it's not just that. After a rally in Jharkhand, Jharkhand's Godar, the Prime Minister will be holding 2 rallies in the neighbouring state of West Bengal, which is, of course, a very high-stake prestige battle for the party. At around 2:30 p.m., he will be holding a public meeting at Ashoknagar, Barasat, which is the next public meeting, and that will be at 4 p.m. at Jadavpur and at 5:55 p.m. He is going to be holding a mega roadshow in the capital city of Kolkata for the Kolkata Uttar constituency. Well, ahead of this Bengal blitz, the Prime Minister has targeted Mamata Banerjee and TMC once again. Well, during an interview to the news agency ANI, the Prime Minister has said that this election for the TMC is more about survival and its own existence.
बंगाल के चुनाव में टीएमसी पार्टी अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़ रही है। आपने देखा होगा पिछले असेंबली के चुनाव में हम 3 थे, 3 में से बंगाल की जनता ने हमें 80 पर पहुंचा दिया। हमें लोकसभा के अंदर भारी बहुमत पिछले चुनाव में मिला था। इस बार पूरे हिंदुस्तान में द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टेट कोई होगा तो पश्चिम बंगाल होने वाला है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सर्वाधिक सफलता पश्चिम बंगाल में मिल रही है और पश्चिम बंगाल का चुनाव एक तरफा है, जनता जनार्दन उसको लीड कर रही है और उसके कारण सरकार में बैठे हुए लोग, टीएमसी के लोग बौखलाए हुए हैं। लगातार हत्याएं हो रहे हैं, हमले हो रहे हैं, भाजपा कार्यकर्ताओं को चुनाव के पहले जेलों में बंद कर दिया जा रहा है। ये सारे जुल्मों के बावजूद भी मतदान भी जनता ज्यादा कर रही है और वोट भी ज्यादा हो रहा है।
Well, not just that, the Prime Minister also targeted the Bengal government over the OBC certificates that were scrapped by the Calcutta High Court and has claimed that the opposition does not want to uplift the weaker communities but only to appease their own vote banks. Listen in.
इनकी मोडस ऑपरेंडी है कि पहले इन्होंने कानून बना करके माइनॉरिटी को देने का पाप शुरू किया। पहले आंध्र में शुरू किया, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने तक में वो हार गए, हाई कोर्ट ने उसको रिजेक्ट कर दिया क्योंकि संविधान अलाउ करता नहीं है। तो इन्होंने चालाकी करके पिछले दरवाजे से खेल शुरू किया और पिछले दरवाजे से खेल शुरू करने के लिए इन लोगों ने रातों रात मुसलमान की सभी जातियों को ओबीसी बना दिया। सभी जातियों को ओबीसी बना करके जो ओबीसी का हक था वो रातों रात डाका डाल दिया, लूट लिया। और इसके खिलाफ चुनाव की सरगर्मी चल रही है। तब हम तो बोल ही रहे थे कि भाई ये हो रहा है, कर्नाटक में हुआ है, मैंने बताया था। हम बंगाल के लिए भी बोल चुके थे, लेकिन जब हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट आ गया तब ये साफ हो गया कि इतना बड़ा धोखा हो रहा है।
Well, let me go across to our reporters. We have Pragya joining us live from Varanasi. Shreya is joining us from Kolkata. Pragya, I'm going to come to you first, and after that, I'll be going across to Shreya for the Bengal context of it. But the Prime Minister, this is going to be the final push for the 7th phase. The Prime Minister is leaving no stone unturned. And it's very interesting that the focus is not in the states where BJP generally does well, which its strongholds are, but especially in those where you have tougher regional satraps that they are fighting in. And Bengal's the classic example, be it his words or the rallies. There is an aggressive fight back from the BJP.
Well, Meghna, West Bengal is very critical as far as the strategy of BJP goes, especially this Lok Sabha election, and this is also setting a stage for the assembly elections as well. Remember, last time when assembly election held, BJP said they are going get 200 seats is what Amit Shah was kept on saying during the campaign. However, it got 88, while many of the opposition parties say that they could not get the kind of support that they were looking at. BJP was happy that from 3 to 80 they have crossed a milestone in itself, and they have emerged as the main political principal party who is taking on the ruling party as well. This is what BJP does. They get inside the terrain that were not familiar with the BJP earlier, but they get stronghold there, they create organization, and they prop up narratives as well, so that they can take on ruling party. And there comes a day when they will be able to contend for the post of for that particular post for that ruling party stature. Given the fact that BJP and Prime Minister especially is doing so many rallies in West Bengal, first it's a border state. There are issues that BJP has been breaking off internal security threats from Bangladesh, cross border illegal migrants are coming in. They need to put a leakage, put a gap. They have to fill the gap and also control that infiltration as well. That has been a very big agenda in this Lok Sabha election. Secondly, they have been attacking Mamata Banerjee government for political vendetta, political killings and political violence. And today Prime Minister itself said that whatever the arrest being made by the West Bengal police, they are because the elections are going on, and this is only political vendetta and nothing else. Remember, TMC came to power criticizing left on the same issues that TMC itself is indulging in. And there are issues of corruption, there is issue of Sandesh Kali, Mamata Banerjee being a woman CM, Prime Minister also, and BJP in fact also attacked Mamata Banerjee for not taking side of the women who had gone through those punishment and atrocities, and in fact standing by the perpetrators. So these are the larger issues that BJP is focusing on, but there are also seats that they are looking at. They want to increase the number of seats in this Lok Sabha election from West Bengal. They did pretty well last time, getting 18 seats, but this time their target is at least 25 to 30 seats. This after they think that there are going to be some states where they may be losing 2 or 3 seats, and where to compensate these seats
from. Has seen a meteoric rise, especially in the state assembly. But can they translate that into Lok Sabha polls also? So let's tell you a bit about the Prime Minister's poll blitz in West Bengal and the significance of the two citadels of the TMC in Bengal, which are Uttar and Dakshin Kolkata. Well, first comes Kolkata Uttar, where the TMC candidate Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, he is of course a 4-time MP, and the BJP has never managed to win this seat in the past. A significant number of migrants and urban development as well as government issues are going to be very, very key in this constituency. Whereas in Kolkata Dakshin, Mamata Banerjee was the longest holder of the seat. It borders Kolkata Uttar, Howrah, of Diamond Harbour, of Javdorpur. It is also a very high-profile seat with significant urban voters, as well as often contested between TMC and the left, but never the BJP in the past.
Mamata Banerjee boasts of her schemes, but let her boast of the corruption that has happened in her governance. Right from food to education, to ration, to rice, to coal smuggling, cow smuggling, sand mafias, you name it and she has it, her government has it. We are expecting a historic roadshow of the Honorable PM. Kolkata will witness a never before visuals. People have already started flooding in. Despite braving this natural calamity, they are pouring in from all districts which is nearby.
Well, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, meanwhile, has said that the Saffron Party should use the BJP leader's title for Narendra Modi instead of Prime Minister during the poll campaign, as he is a caretaker Prime Minister and his full-time job is that for advocacy of the BJP. In fact, further questioning that why is Prime Minister holding a roadshow with the lotus symbol? He is in the BJP chief. Why is he carrying that lotus symbol? Watch this attack.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर कल एक मीटिंग करेंगे, रैली करेंगे, कर सकते हैं, हमारा कोई एतराज नहीं है। जितना भी पॉलिटिकल लोग रैली करे बंगाल में है, हमारा क्या एतराज है? लेकिन एडवर्टाइजमेंट देके प्राइम मिनिस्टर रैली करेंगे, बीजेपी का फोटो लगा के, बीजेपी का सिंबल लगा के, एक करेक्ट है? नहीं है। दिस इज रॉन्ग। आप बोलिए कि यू आर एज ए प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बीजेपी आप कर रहे हैं, लीडर एट बीजेपी कर रहा है। हमको इधर में चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं लिखा है। क्यों इतना झूठा ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है?